Hi all, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make puran poli, bakshalu, bobbatlu. It's a sweet bread. It's made with jaggery and lentils. We need all-purpose flour and little bit semolina. For dough, take a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is maida flour, and add 1/4 cup of semolina flour, suji or upma rava, and add 1 teaspoon of little bit salt, and add 1 tablespoon of oil, and mix it well. Add water and make it as a fine dough. So mix the dough to this consistency. Add 1 tablespoon of the butter to this dough. Mix it well after adding butter and keep it aside for 1 hour minimum. Now for the stuff, we need to take a vessel. I took a cooker and add 1 cup of tur dal, 1 cup of lentils. Wash it well. Add 2 cups of water. Close the lid and cook it. So our lentils is cooked. Pressure is gone, so I am opening it and seeing. This is perfectly cooked. The consistency should be like this, so there is no water and it is perfectly cooked. So now we will add jaggery to this. So mix these lentils very well smoothly with a spoon before adding the jaggery. Make sure to put the stove in the low flame and add 1.5 cup of jaggery. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom, white cardamom powder, ilachi powder. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. So mix it well all. Make sure the mixture is not burned and cook under the low flame until this becomes little thicker. We can turn off the flame and let it cool for an hour. So now the stuffing is little bit cool. Now take a small amount and make them into the balls like this. If it is sticking to the hands, apply little bit butter to your hands so that it will not stick. It is mixed well and we do not need to blend it or grind it. If it is not mixed well and you want a fine smooth paste, you can blend it also. I am not blending, I am just using as is. So take the dough, make the equal parts. Dough consistency should be like this. So now our dough also ready. We made equal parts and the stuffing also ready. Take the frying pan, let it heat. So we need a big cover. Maybe we can use a Ziploc cover. If you do not have big Ziploc cover, maybe you can use this silver foil. Apply butter to your hands and take the small portion of this dough and spread across like this. And now take the stuffing. Put the stuffing here and roll it. Make sure the dough is covered the stuffing. See, like this. So press the ball like this so that it will settle down inside that stuffing properly. Now apply little bit butter to this sheet. Spread all over like this and evenly press smoothly with the hands like this. You can see it is spreading equally and the stuff also not coming outside of the dough. So you can make how thin you want, you're comfortable to put on the pan. Until then you can do that. See, it is coming perfect. So now it is ready to put on the hot pan. So now our pan also heated. Make sure to put the between medium to low flame. and add little bit of butter on top of this. Also add little bit of butter to your hands so that you can put it here, and take this and slowly if you have the ziplock it will come properly. I don't have ziplock, so that's why I am using this. Place it on the hot pan. So put little bit of butter on top of this, spread it and turn this. See, this is perfectly cooked. Make sure the flame should be between medium to low. Don't cook under high flame. So it is cooked properly, two sides. It's ready to serve now. So take it to the serving bowl. So now I show how do we make on the plastic or a ziplock paper. Take a big paper like this and apply oil to it. Take the dough. I'm showing again how do we stuff it. Take this stuffing and easy slope like this. You have to make sure it is covered. It is covered, right? So take the extra dough. Take this off. With hands to settle down, and dough and stuffing should be evenly mixed. So now this is ready to roll. Place it in the middle and press lightly with the hand like this. So if you are not comfortable with hands, you can use chapati roller. For that, you have to take another polythene cover or a ziplock cover, apply oil to it and put on top of this like this. Now take the roller. We use this to make rotis or chapatis or bread, right? Roll it evenly, easy and slow. Make sure it will come round shape and the dough is spreaded properly. This is another way of making Bhakshalu Puran Poli sweet bread. So in this way it will come very thin. How much thin you want it will come. Now take the top polythene cover like this. Add butter on top of butter on this. Take this from the cover like this. Easy, slow. Yeah, it is coming. Put it on the